Okay, here is this mysterious, huge box. Look how big this box is. Here's my foot in relation. This is a really big box. So I'm going to check it out, open it up. It doesn't even say who it's from. Okay, wow, this must be an exciting gift. It's moving! The box is moving! Oh my God, the box is moving. What? It just floated in the air? Oh my gosh. What in the world? Oh my gosh. I'm really nervous. Should I try to open this? I'm scared, but I'm really curious, so I'm gonna try to do this again. Just keep my distance though. Something is alive in there for sure. Or it's a ghost. I don't know. Ah! Oh. Did you see something pop out? Oh gosh, this is really weird. Where's it going? I think I should call Amazon. Something's creepy about this box. Look at that. Oh, did you see something? I thought I saw a foot. Oh, it's going in my kitchen. It's trying to find food. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's laughing. It's a laughing box. It's a laughing box. Oh my God. Doing? Oh, it's coming toward me! It's coming toward me! Ah, I'm scared! Ah. Oh my gosh, it's like gonna attack me! What is happening? This is, oh gosh, I'm gonna call Amazon. This is really creepy. I'm like, oh no, I'm scared. I can't get away. It's cornering me. Oh no, it's gonna eat me. Help, help. Oh, it's going away. What's happening now? Did it just float off the floor? It's like floating off the floor. Oh my gosh. Oh, that frown is very frightening. That Amazon frown. What's happening? I think I'm gonna call Amazon and just return the box. No, it's following me. Get away, box! Get away! Get away, box! Get away from me, box! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, go away! Oh, I'm scared. Look at that frown. It's so frightening. The frown. Get away from me! Frown on either end. Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna cut this box open. I'm gonna cut it open. I'm gonna cut this box open! Oh! Get away! Get away! Look at this crazy box! Oh! Oh! That's who it is! That's who my package was! Wee!